This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off auto brightness on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Auto brightness is a display setting that most mobile devices and computers feature. They use an ambient light sensor to automatically gauge the ambient light in the room and adjust the display accordingly. It can be a great way to avoid adjusting brightness levels manually. However, auto brightness is not for everyone and is far from perfect. So below, we'll walk you through the step how to disable the auto brightness on your MacBook. So first of all, you can open your system preferences. From here, you can go to displays, click on displays, and you'll find there is an option automatically adjust brightness. By default, is this feature is the setting is enabled. If you want to turn this off, you can want to disable it, you can just uncheck list, remove the checklist in here. So now you have turn off, you have disabled the auto brightness on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off auto brightness on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.